Today, I've got something game changing for you. It's not just about memes, it's about utility. Introducing VIBING Cat Token, a meme coin with utility. Stick around because this one is going to be a game changer for content creators. Let's dive straight into the video. So guys, here we are on the VIBING Cat's website. The cat meme isn't just a meme, it's a whole vibe. Now, I know that we usually go straight down the website and then check out the white paper later if it's there, but today, I want to switch things up and I've got something to show you in the white paper. Where memes meet money. Yo, brace yourselves for ultimate meme coin takeover. The VIBING Cat token ain't your regular crypto block. It's meme revolution we've all been waiting for. We've seen dogs fly to the moon during last bull run. Now it's time for VIBING Cat to ride the meme rocket to the next galaxy. The cat meme isn't just a meme, it's a whole vibe. The VIBING Cat, we are taking over the meme game to a whole new level. Get ready to laugh, cry, and meme your way to the Crypto Hall of Fame. Their team is the meme dream team, making sure VIBING Cat isn't just a community-based token, it's a cultural phenomenon. Wanna vibe the coolest meme in the crypto swamp? The dogs had their day, now it's the VIBING Cat's reign. Get in the meme coin revolution because the memes are taking over. So guys, we've seen a quick introduction. Of course, very simplified, but we can see that the VIBING Cat is indeed a groundbreaking cryptocurrency project dedicated to revolutionizing the internet culture through the innovative use of blockchain technology. It recognizes the challenge and inefficiencies of traditional community-based tokens and the traditional community-based coins. VIBING Cat token aims to create a decentralized, transparent, and accessible platform that transforms the way investors, content creators, and blockchain interact with each other. So that's a brief introduction of the roadmap. Here we can see that, of course, as I told you guys, it is not just a meme. It's here to bring real use case and real utility, especially to content creators, and we'll see why more in depth in a few moments. Now let's switch back over to the website. So again, about the VIBING Cat token, use case and purpose, VIBING Cat token address. And by the way guys, if you want to head over to the white paper, just click this button over here and you can start your review there. So about the VIBING Cat, use case and purpose, VIBING Cat token addresses the growing need for a reliable and globally recognized system for content creators' achievements. The platform enables seamless sharing, art records across talent representation and brand development, quality control, and efficient technology integration ecosystem. Here is the best part: VIBING Cat facilitates art management, whether it's in the form of music, visual art, writing, or other mediums that involve various aspects of talent management, promotion, and business development. VIBING Cat management. Right here we can see why VIBING Cat token is not just a meme. The platform is stated to enable seamless sharing of our records across talent representations. It facilitates art management and business development. Their tokenomics are as meme-worthy as their VIBING Cat project. Here you can see that the VIBING Cat token introduces an ERC20 utility token, VBT. As the native cryptocurrency, VBT tokens are used for transactions within the platform, including the issuance and verification of our credentials, accessing premium educational content. And I just want to mention that I love the integration of the utility on the website, as well as the meme-fied version. Here you can see that the tokenomics are presented with a silly image of their cat going to the moon. So the token A, VIBING Cat, the total supply will be standing at 1 quintillion tokens, if I'm not wrong. The token allocation will be such: token burn 40%, content creator support 5%, charity donations 5%, future development, marketing products 10%. So as a meme coin, they will still be dedicating money to charities, which is very wholesome of them. And the VIBING Cat team consists of experienced professionals with backgrounds in blockchain development, artificial intelligence, education, technology, and businesses. So that's very cool. You're in trusted hands, guys. Here we meet the roadmap. Phase 1 being smart contract development, community building, branding, and marketing. Phase 2, launching infrastructural tools. Phase 3, content creation management, market cap goals, listings, audience engagement, and promotion. Very cool. I'm sure they will update the roadmap once those phases are finished. Those phases are finished. But for now, this is all they need to succeed, in my opinion. Here we got their contacts, and we can see that the VCT coin is not affiliated with the VIBING Cat video or its creators. And here we meet their contacts. Here we can see that they do indeed have a Twitter, which we can check out. So they joined in 2023 November and have already over 1,000 followers, so that's pretty good. But 1,000 followers does not mean 1,000 views per post. Here we can see that their tweets are blowing up, guys. Look at their pin post, reaching an astonishing number of 134,000 views. They collected over 800 likes, so the engagement on this post is huge. This only shows the amount of interest people are already giving to Vibing Cat token and its utility, as well as the whole ecosystem. So guys, you must know about their presale if you're interested in participating in this. So here we are on their presale, and it's important to know that it's hosted on P2B exchange. And here you can see that it's active now with 2 months and 2 days, 16 hours being left before they are listed and tokens are paid out. And they're currently, it's also important to know that they are currently on stage 2 of presale, and they will be concluding a total of 3 stages. So if you miss this one, I'll have more chance. So don't rush the investment. Make sure you read the white paper, make sure you know the project, make sure you understand the utility it is bringing, and then decide if you want to invest in it or not. So guys, with the white paper, the website, as well as Twitter and the presale being covered, there's not much a lot to add right here, except the white paper. The white paper holds detailed information of the project, as well as its tokenomics, its goals, its detailed roadmap, the utility, everything. So if you found this project interesting so far, you must go ahead to the description, press the link down below that quotes white paper, and read about it in detail. Read it 2 or 3 times, understand the utility, understand what it is bringing. The utility they are bringing is very good in my opinion. Definitely be keeping an eye out on their presale as well as their progression of the project, because I am definitely interested. And let me know in the comments if you are too. Anyways, thank you for tuning in to another one more videos, and as always, I'll make sure to catch you in the next one. Stay safe and good luck investing in DeFi.